This 1957 Ford Fairlane, available for $35,000, offers a striking combination of classic 1950s style and modern upgrades. The exterior is finished in a vivid red, complemented by a red and white two-tone interior. It features a robust 292 V8 engine with a Ford-O-Matic 2-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a powerful and smooth driving experience. The car is equipped with Thunderbird aluminum finned valve covers, a Holley carburetor, and a dual exhaust system for a rich, throaty sound. Modern conveniences include power steering, power brakes with front disc brakes, and an electronic wiper conversion. The wide white tires on Thunderbird true spoke wheels enhance its vintage appearance. Inside, the red and white vinyl bench seat provides comfort, while an aftermarket radio and a 12-volt conversion offer contemporary features. The 1955 Pontiac Star Chief, offered at $15,000, comes with a V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It runs and drives well, but needs some repairs. The right rear brake drum requires machining, the choke needs replacing, and the AC compressor is missing. The car lacks power steering and power brakes, but has functional lights. This 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air, listed at $20,000, features a new light teal and white paint job and a newly redone interior. The fuel system and cooling system have been serviced, and the car starts easily and runs smoothly, maintaining its classic charm while being well maintained for reliability. Priced at $35,000, this 1949 Mercury VIII is equipped with a 351 Windsor engine and an FMX transmission. It includes power brakes and air conditioning, which blows cold. The car combines vintage style with modern performance and comfort. If you're liking what you see, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more vintage car treasures. We appreciate your support. The 1953 Chevrolet 210, available for $7,000, is powered by a straight 6 engine and has a 3-speed column shift transmission. It runs well and includes the original numbers matching straight 6 engine, making it a solid project car. For $18,000, this 1960 Ford Thunderbird has only 22,000 original miles and is a true survivor. Originally purchased from an employee of Marty Franch Ford, it was gifted to the previous owner before being acquired by the current seller in 2018. The car has been meticulously maintained and upgraded with an electronic ignition system, new upholstery, a new dashboard, and serviced transmission and cooling systems. Upgrades include an Edelbrock Performer intake manifold, an Edelbrock Performer remanufactured carburetor, and a new brake system, preserving classic charm while enhancing modern reliability. This 1953 Ford Customline, priced at $16,000, features a 215 6-cylinder engine. It is a low-mileage vehicle from the second year of Ford's overhead valve engine and includes a spare engine and parts. For $35,000, this 1933 Dodge Sedan is a rare street rod equipped with a Crate 350 engine and a 350 transmission. It features power disc brakes, air conditioning, and Coker white walls. The car has been driven extensively and is known for its reliability. This 1960 Dodge D100 truck, listed at $17,900, is finished in a two-tone red and black with chrome accents and features a white, red, and gray interior. Powered by its original inline six-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives well and is sold as is. Prospective buyers are encouraged to inspect the vehicle or arrange a third-party inspection. Priced at $35,000, this 1931 Ford Model A has been meticulously cared for and features a new 289 Cobra engine and a C4 transmission with 8,405 miles. The car has been well maintained, reflecting a commitment to preserving its classic appeal while enhancing performance. This 1934 Ford Sedan, available for $34,000, is powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 with a mild cam and dual exhaust. It runs well with no leaks and includes a 4.5-inch chopped roof, wood grain dash, power brakes, in-dash AC, an automatic transmission, new rear shocks, and 4 new tires. For $8,500, this 1941 Dodge D19 Deluxe is a clean and complete car with a 360 small block V8 and automatic transmission. It runs and drives well with up-to-date registration and was converted to the V8 by a previous owner. This 1958 Ford F-100 short bed truck, priced at $9,500, is powered by a 302 small block engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It includes headers with dual exhaust, power steering, and disc brakes in the front. The truck is registered until September 2024 and features a hot rod steering column with all functional lights and blinkers. The 1948 Plymouth Special Deluxe, offered for $10,000, is running and ready to drive. Recent maintenance includes new brakes and struts. The car is being sold as is, with an invoice available to show the work done. priced at $25,000. This 1938 Plymouth Deluxe Coupe features a built 350 motor and an automatic transmission. It includes power steering, a tilt wheel, and heat, though it lacks air conditioning and power brakes. The car has newly rebuilt transmission components, a Mustang 2 front end, and a Mustang 2 Pozu rear end. The 1948 Ford Coupe, listed for $15,000, features a 351 Cleveland engine and a C6 transmission. It runs excellently and includes swivel bucket seats. The car would benefit from a new paint job, but is otherwise in good condition. For $29,500, this is the 1959 Volkswagen Type 2 bus with a clean Colorado title. It features fresh paint, a non-original single-port engine, and a factory folding rear seat. The bus shows some minor rust and has semaphore openings, though the cargo door handles have been removed and the engine door latch is missing. The odometer reads 78,000 kilometers. But total mileage is unknown.